The 1998 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power door locks, bucket seats, power windows, intermittent wipers, air conditioning, front disc rear drum brakes, cloth seats, power outlet, variable speed, intermittent wipers, steel wheels. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.